Hello, Albanidis Konstantinos here. And after what we heard today about the great blackout to Spain, it's a good opportunity to show you how easily you can create a viral video, real or normal video, using a new platform that I'm gonna show you right now, the Vidnoz AI. Okay, let me bring the microphone a little bit up. Okay, how Vidnoz AI is working. Okay, things here are very easy. This is a very interesting platform. You can easily create a free video. You can test it. You have, if you check here, to the packages, you have those packages, but you are able to use it for free for some minutes every day. Okay. Okay, you know that most of those programs, they put their logo on your videos so that it's watermarked, and you can easily download it or share it with your friends or your viewers. I'm gonna show you right away what I'm gonna do. You see, it has amazing avatars. You can use great avatars. Let me show you just.
Vidnoz, AI brings your idea to high-quality videos with AI avatars.
You see, it looks great. It's amazing. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna create right away. Okay, I'm gonna move down and find here Albert Einstein. Okay, Albert Einstein is the, I believe, the best guy that could explain what could cause this blackout, or it would be even funny to let him explain. You can even find more people here. We don't know if they have Tesla over here, but again, we can create him. Even Santa is here. Okay. We're not gonna search it a lot. I just want you to see how easily I can create my video. Let's try Albert Einstein. I'm gonna select him, and I'm gonna start a new project and show you how easily you can create an amazing and high converting video, captivating video. And because of what's happening right now, it's all over the internet, the news about the blackout that happened to Spain, to Portugal, and some parts of France. Um, I don't know what has caused this thing, but we can just ask AI, and Albert Einstein is gonna, you know, promote this video by himself and showcase what could cause this kind of blackout. Okay, great. Let me show you what I have already done here, just to know what we're gonna prepare. Okay, I'm gonna bring here ChatGPT, and here I asked that if ChatGPT asked know about this, what happened to Spain, Portugal, and France, um, and I asked it, imagine I'm I said to it, "You are the great Albert Einstein, and you're explaining in detail in a video of 2 minutes what could have possibly caused the blackout, and explaining in a way like talking to a 2 years old child." First, I asked ChatGPT to check about the issue and find all the articles and what could have caused it and everything. And that's now the best part. I just grab Albert Einstein speaking here. You see, I just grab this one. I copy and I go here. You see, I selected this template, but I can easily change the template here. I can select other templates. You see, there are a lot of templates. Whatever you like, you can use it. Those templates look good, but you see, I like this one because it looks like a blackboard. Let's try this one, and I'm gonna paste here this. Let's try to listen to what we've done. It's about 2 minutes and 46 seconds. Vidnoz, it's gonna create the the TTS. It's text to speech, and then it's gonna create easily the video, and we're gonna see Albert Einstein explaining all those things to us. Okay, I just wanted to see the idea, how you can have an idea and create the whole video. Okay, so let's see the result in a moment. Okay, we have the voice.
Hello there, my young friend. Today, I want to tell you about something.
But you see, here it's about the product launch and everything. So it's not gonna look nice to have this over here. Okay, I can even delete this one, or I can just return to the first layer. Let me show you. We can go back here to the first template. I select the template here, and I can leave it blank, or I can just go back and remove this template. Let me show you. I'm not gonna have anything selected. I can select a stock one from here, or just leave it blank. Over here, because I selected, I want to use just Albert Einstein in the middle. I can go back. You see here, I have the ability to have conversation. I'm not gonna use conversation. I'm gonna go a little bit back so that I'm not gonna have anything, and to see everything clean over here. Okay, I'm gonna paste again everything here. I'm gonna select another voice. I want a male emotion. I'm gonna make it here to be okay. I can make it hopeful. I'm gonna select here the narrator. I can make it like chat over here. You know, maybe Santa.
Vidnoz, AI brings your
Santa sounds very
Vidnoz, AI brings your idea to
Vidnoz AI brings.
Vidnoz AI
see, it sounds very interesting.
Vidnoz AI.
But the point is that I have selected casual, and that's why it sounds like that.
Vidnoz AI brings your idea to high quality.
Vidnoz AI brings your Vidnoz AI
Vidnoz AI brings your idea.
You see, it sounds interesting. Let me find the right one for me. Okay, you see, I turned male, normal, and I'm gonna make it explainer. So I think that Cyrus here, because you can even see the about the age that you're working with. You can even choose here.
Vidnoz
date.
AI brings your idea.
But this guy, Cyrus, it sounds really friendly and very calm.
Vidnoz AI brings your idea to high-quality videos with AI avatars and voiceovers in minutes.
It sounds great. I'm gonna select this guy, and we are ready to go on. Okay. Here I can select something for my background if I want to have something to play for the background. Let me try to have a school or something like that. Let's try to have education over here. So you can have anything that you want. You can, yeah, that would be very nice to have something like that. It looks great. Okay. I believe I can even make this one bigger. You see, and have him over here. It looks nice. Yeah, it looks really, really interesting. Okay, you see I have those books again behind, but it looks really interesting. You know, I'm gonna find everything. I'm gonna show you even more videos working with Vidnoz, and you're gonna see how you're gonna be able to remove background. You can work with you know, you can remove the background from this picture, and then you can have your avatar to just speaking. Here it fits nice to have the books from here, and we have our friend Albert Einstein here explaining. Okay, so let's try now to listen to this this script and see what we have already done. Okay, we have the voice ready. You're gonna see that it sounds really interesting here, and we can move on with the conversation here. Conversation is that we can have two people speaking one to each other, and we can have them both in the same frame. That's very interesting. Even when somebody tells the news and we have another guest, or there is a historical person speaking with a small boy or a girl, you know, it's very interesting, and you can make amazing educational videos. I'm gonna go on and create the video so that I'm gonna create it generating the video from here, and you're gonna see the results. Okay, we got everything ready. I'm gonna just click generate. It's gonna detect 2 minutes and 9 seconds for this video and I'm gonna click generate now to prepare the video, and let's see the result in a couple of minutes to see the amazing result. Okay, we got our video ready. It took about 7 to 8 minutes to create this 2 minutes video, but trust me, I believe you're gonna love it. Let me show you what we created. Okay, let's see over here.
Hello there, my young friend. Today I want to tell you about something very interesting. A huge blackout that happened in Spain and Portugal. Now you might wonder, how can all the lights go out in 2 whole countries at once? Well, let's think about it like this. Electricity travels through giant metal highways called power lines.
Amazing, right? Okay, that was all, and we're ready to share this video. You see, we have the share button over here to Vidnoz, and we can straight share this amazing video to our social media. You can share it to Facebook, to YouTube, and to all your channels. You can even download your video, and you can download the video and upload it anywhere that you want. Okay, you can download it in 1080p or download in 720p. It looks great, and trust me, it has a very natural movement and feel. You see that Albert Einstein is speaking in a very natural way. You see?
Lines, moving very fast, like little lightning bolts.
Amazing. We have the hand movements and everything, and it's the way that we enjoy and explaining. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'm gonna leave a link from Vidnoz to explore this amazing platform and learn more about it. You can try it for free. You can check it and see if it fits to your needs, and you know, the sky is the limit. You can test and let me know to the comments if you enjoyed it. If you like this video, just click like, and if you want to learn more about these amazing programs and these amazing AI platforms, subscribe to my channel, and trust me, you're gonna see only valuable and very interesting stuff. Okay, thank you very much, and bye bye.